Training fins can be used to improve your leg kick for backstroke, freestyle, and butterfly. They can also be used to improve core and leg strength. Place the fins on the correct feet by holding the heel and sliding your foot inside. You may find it easier to put the fins on when they're slightly wet. Start the kick movement from the hips and bend the legs slightly at the knee before powerfully kicking the legs through to a straight position, flicking with the ankles at the end of the movement.